Hi, Bill Bodner, Mortgage Market Guide. Thanks for tuning in to our MMG weekly recap. So up on the screen, Bureau of Labor Statistics out this morning issuing the jobs report for August. And by all metrics, it was a solid report. And it just shows that the progress continues to be made. The unemployment rate dropping to 8.4%, nicely under 10% was the big takeaway. The headline number showed 1.37 million jobs, essentially in line with expectations. There was a slight uptick to jobs in the previous 2 months, but it was really immaterial, only around 30,000. The other really huge takeaway that we gathered from that was the hourly earnings. Hourly earnings came in at 4.7% increase. That's super hot, folks. And what that brings is an inflationary aspect, right? It's called wage-based inflation. If these numbers continue to come in, that's going to add to that inflation type of theme. And so, after the report, stocks, which on Thursday had a really rough day, NASDAQ again, correcting, NASDAQ has gone straight up. So we're seeing a continued little bit of a correction here in the NASDAQ, but the Dow's hanging in there. But the yield, look at the yield in the 10-year note. What's remarkable is in the last couple of days of the week, we had stocks perform really poorly, yet bond prices didn't improve much, if at all. And that should be very telling as we go into this long holiday weekend. Technically, mortgage-backed securities, you could see, unable to make brand new fresh highs. This red line at 105.31 on the MMG chart is showing prices stuck there. We could not advance yesterday. That was in the face of, an 800-point loss in the Dow. So this is very telling. And what I'd be thinking about going into next week, we have a long weekend, but then next week we have the supply. And so inflation and supply have been the problems for the bond market. We had some inflationary numbers today, some more hope, some more optimism, certainly progress being made on the labor market front. And then next week we have all new bond supply coming into the Treasury market that will have to get sopped up. We'll see how that goes, but I would prepare yourself because last time the auctions came around, the bond market didn't perform that well. Hope this finds you well. Have yourself a great weekend, nice long weekend. See you soon. Bye for now.